ASML stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. All I'm trying to say is that this is kind of flat for today, only 1% up. My 2 cents on this, that I'm honestly genuinely looking to hopefully then take things up if there's that second break, but that's from a higher time frame chart. Now I've made more videos than anyone else in the space and I have all that documented. Generally looking at ASML, I'm just going to come here to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, you can see where we exactly are. The only thing that I'm trying to see is this second break above 691, and if there is no that second break, or it does not happen, then guess what, I'm not going to see here and then trying to force movements, you know. So that's at least how I'm looking at things. Without that second break at 691, that there's obviously going to be no way that I'm going to look to take things up. That swing lower time frame, I just need more candles honestly than compared to this. And I've just made so many previous ASML receipts in the Discord, which seems like I have not got any. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.